I'm going to show you how to make these healthy, no-fuss gingerbread cookies. These are perfect for the holidays or when your child becomes obsessed with the book, The Gingerbread Man. Watch to the end to see how my little Lee decorates her cookies. Grab yourself a large bowl and add in your whole wheat flour. If you need it gluten-free, feel free to substitute to gluten-free flour. Then I'm adding in the baking agents. I do like to sift the bicarb soda or baking soda because I find that does clump together. Next, I'm going to add in all of these beautiful spices. I've listed all the ingredients in the description box below and feel free to adjust to suit your family. Give the dry ingredients a quick mix. I like to use a whisk as it ensures that everything incorporates well. As this is a one bowl recipe, I like to make a well and then we're just going to dump in all of the wet ingredients. One tip that I'd like to share is to dip my tablespoon into the melted butter. This will mean the molasses won't stick to the spoon. If you like this tip, let me know by liking this video. Next, I add in the maple syrup, a little bit of vanilla, and finally some milk. All that's left to do is to grab your wooden spoon and give it all a really good mix. This is a really luscious dough, so it comes together really easily, and of course you can scrape the spoon and use your hand to incorporate the last bits. If the dough seems a little bit dry, feel free to add in a little bit of milk, but it should come together just like this. The easiest way to roll out this dough is to pop it in between two pieces of parchment paper and then grab yourself your rolling pin and roll, roll, roll. You want it to be about 1/4 inch thick. When you're happy with the thickness, it's time to grab out your cutters. I'm using gingerbread man cutters as well as stars. Let me know in the comments below what shape you would cut these gingerbread cookies with. This recipe is much healthier than other versions of gingerbread cookies. It uses hardly any sugar, and I know a lot of kids can't have eggs, so this is egg-free. Once you've cut out as many shapes as you can, all you need to do is bring back the remaining dough using the parchment paper and then roll it out again. You can also easily make this dairy-free and gluten-free. See the description box for these substitutions. This recipe will make around 20 medium gingerbread men. Bake these cookies at 150 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit in a fan-forced oven. These cookies take about 9 minutes to cook. Once they're slightly golden, you can pull them out and pop them on a cooling rack. After a couple of minutes, remove them from the tray so that they can cool completely. While my cookies are cooling, I'm going to get on to the icing. As this is a no-fuss recipe, I'm not going to be making a royal icing. Rather, I'm simply using 1/2 cup of icing sugar and a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice. I know this doesn't look like a lot of liquid, but just trust me and keep on mixing. As you mix, the icing sugar will continue to absorb into the lemon juice. Once you've got a nice thick paste like this, you can slowly add in a little bit more lemon juice drop by drop. This is the texture that you're looking for, where it'll just easily drop off the spoon just like this. And now you're ready to decorate these cookies however you wish. So I'll be using a piping bag with the smallest tip that I own, which happens to be a number 4. Now I'll show you my little Lee decorating her cookies. Let me know in the comments what you think. Aye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you make these cookies. For more simple and delicious recipes, remember to subscribe to Recipes for Littlies.